Now, if you want to pick up expireds, if you want to get expired listings, you got to do some basic marketing, and you gotta close the deal, complete the transaction, right? Make sure you have integrity. If you don't have a buyer, don't tell them that you do. If you do have a potential buyer, just set clear expectations, okay? You want to get in front of the whole goal is to get in front of them. Until you get in front of them, whether it's in front of them in person or if you're really, really, really good in front of them on Zoom, you're not going to get anything done until you get in front of them. Daniel, what's the script? Find somebody you know in common or find something in common. Talk about how you can help them solve their problem. Say, hey, when can I get in front of you? That's it. Okay. Let's just recap. And at the end, I'm going to put a few videos where I've actually had great calls recently. Okay. Because calls can go great. I was able to get an $8 million expired on the phone in about 60 seconds. So it was like gone in 60 seconds, the real estate edition. So again, is your property still available or some kind of headline? Super simple, clickbait. Okay. Is your property still available? I can get it sold. Or if you do, I have a buyer, shoot me a call, text, or email. Boom. Here's my information. Boom. Straight to the point. Mastermind with the other greats in your office. Then let's do a best practices for relocation. Social media groups, consumer facing. Join them, engage, start your own. Business facing, business news, business relocation. Get on LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Daniel, how's it different from Facebook? Well, lawyers don't have a Facebook page. They do have a LinkedIn. And you can find out where they work. And I just called an $8 million homeowner the other day. The only way that I found his phone number in 60 seconds, LinkedIn. Boom. Okay. That's the difference. Mic drop. Okay. What's the difference between Facebook and LinkedIn? My goodness, you should be embarrassed asking those type of questions. Now, connecting with agents in other markets, obviously, that's super easy to do. It's adding value, you're networking, the whole nine. It's good all the way around. Plus, when you go on vacay, you have somebody to hang out with, okay? It's going to be fantastic. Lastly, provide value, provide information, news to your prospective homeowners looking to relocate to Texas or to your state, okay? Let's land the airplane with this. Listen, get out there, do the things. You want to be in the 8% of agents that are actually doing 4 or more deals so far this year, or the 4% or the 2% or the 1% or the 0.1%. Only 8% of agents have closed 4 or more deals this year. Okay. Listen, agents are going to be fleeing. You need to grab their market share. You need to make a decision. Which direction are you going to go? Okay. Remember, 1% improvement per day can literally get you exponential results. Daniel Fleshman, Exponential Real Estate Results, Exponential Business Coaching. Get out there, crush it, do the things. Join the 8, 4, 2, 1% or 0.1%. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon. Are you ready to get exponential? Let's go.